Hello aspirants, I am here with another video. If you stuck at 15 to 20 marks in reasoning, then these are hidden topics topper never skip. And most important thing is that free sources never reveal these. This is an ultimate 0 to pro reasoning syllabus guide. Most banking aspirants fall into the puzzle trap and completely ignore the hidden, highly scoring topics that bank toppers use to easily push their score past 30 plus. In this complete masterclass, we are not just skimming the surface. I am breaking down every single overlooked topic and subtopic in the reasoning section. Yes, this is a long video, but treat it like a premium paid badge. Grab a notebook, sit down in a quiet place, and let's secure those missing marks together. If you master what in this video, your mock score will never look the same. And my challenge to you is that watch this video till the end, apply these strategy in your next 3 mock tests, and come back to this video to comment your score improvement. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next deep dive strategy. What is your weakest reasoning topic right now? Let me know in the comment below. Let's come to the point. One thing you should follow. Complete this topic in the sequence I provided so that you perform better. So, one by one, I am showing you all the topics. These are the main topics, and in the next slide, I will provide particular topic with subtopic. So, the first topic is alphanumeric symbol series. Second is inequality. Third is silogs. Fourth is direction distance. Then blood relation, coding decoding, puzzle, sitting arrangement, data sufficiency, logical reasoning, and machine input. Now we move further to the subtopic. Now the first topic is alphanumeric symbol series, and I have written all the subtype here. First is letter series, in which only letters like L, S, T, R, U, whatever combination of 26 letters. Then number series, only numbers are there in a lengthy format 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, 6, 3, whatever. Then number 3 is a digit series. Here numbers are in 3, 3 or 4, 4 pair like this. Pair can be of 3 digit, 4 digit, this type of 3 to 4 pair. Then fourth is alphanumeric series, where alphabets and numbers both are present in mixture. Repetition also allowed. Then there is a word series. Similar like a digit series, there are words like book, star, and any kind of meaningful or non-meaningful word can be there. Then mixed series. There letter, numbers, and symbol as well can be present. And then next is pair formation. They will give a series or mixed series, and they then will ask to the pair formation like forward, backward, etc. Then is odd one out, which can be based on place value or addition, subtraction, or opposite value, etc. Then in the mains resultant based series, where some sequence or step we will follow and then find out the answer, and there is a step based series. So these most 10 types of alphanumeric symbol series. Now the topic number 2, that is inequality. There are seven subtypes of inequality I have mentioned here. First is simple inequality. There is a statement and conclusion given with one statement lengthy. There are no comma. That is called comma based simple inequality. Then in the simple form, there is multiple commas and statement given and two to three conclusion asked, and you have to tell it's true, false, or indefined. Then third type is a filler based. Their question incomplete and given is a question mark and asked if what symbol can be put so that it's true or it's false. Then mostly in means there will be asked reverse inequality. Coded are also is a part of means. And next is column based, which can be a simple. There is a column two or three column can be there, and with the combination you have to solve and find out the answer. It's true, false, or can be found or not. Or seven is a concept, like a either or concept. It's you can say a subtopic, or you can say this subtopics contain the concept either or. When conclusion is wrong, indefinite, like you can't say the it is exactly definitely follows or not. Half information there, so you can say in a can't say this is wrong, but in either or it can be true. So these are the seven types. The third topic is syllogs. These are the all subtopics I have mentioned here. There are eight subtopics. First is all some no. It's statement based, like all A or B, like this, or some A or B, or no B or C, like this type of statement you have to draw, and then you will conclude what to be answered. Then next is only and only few, because we know only concept when it is never show the relation with others. Then third one is either or neither nor concept, when both is simply false, but in either or can be true. Then fourth one is the logically follows. All जो basically follows called definitely follows or logically follows, but logically does not follows and definitely does not follow contain different concept. And there will be a reverse syllogism where two to three conclusion are there and four to five statement in answer. Then you have to draw all the statement and then you have to tell what conclusion follow based on that statement. It's a lengthy, basically asked in masons. Then next is coded syllables, and last one is column and filler based. So you have to solve all these types. Now the fourth topic is direction distance. These are basically when it comes in pre is very simple, uh, mainly a passage based, but in the main it can be a coded and symbol based. Sometimes it can be uh, mm, made by some other logic, then it can be axis based, or in the means you can see a direction distance with sitting arrangement and puzzle. The fifth topic is blood relation. So these are the five types. First is passage based, that is called traditional, when the statement in the form of some information given, and you have to make the blood relation, like A is the father of B or B is brother of C. like that. What? And there is will be given three generation, two generation, two couples, two couples, three couple, etc. Then there will be asked a coded form. There can be a variable based, when the relation family person with the variable, like they like a red color, they like of some fruit, etc. Sometimes blood relation with sitting, then blood relation with puzzle. These all five types basically asked. Now the topic number 6 is coding decoding. It comes in pre as well as mains exam. The first type is substitutional coding. Sometimes people call it Chinese coding, which is mostly asked in pre, then in simple format. Then second type is conditional coding, and there are some conditions are there, and we have to follow one by one, and then we will step by step solve. And third is a binary coding, where 0101 concept. Then fourth one is a new pattern coding. It can be dicey sometimes, so we will skip initially. Then fifth is structure based. All these are five types. This is our topic number 7, that is a puzzle. Most students consider is a dicey. So the subtypes are: number 1, month and date based, and month and 1 to 3 dates are given, and then we will follow the passage and made the puzzle accordingly. Then second is month and year based. When base year given, we have to calculate the age. Then third one is a post and designation based, where post are given like CEO, CO, color, PO, etc. Whatever. In the ascending or descending order, they also mention like CEO are the superior, etc. Then fourth one is a floor and flat based, where given two into two, like two floor and two flat, and there can be a two flat and five floor. It can be vary. The next one is a box based. Sometimes it can be dicey, because most people start by numbering 1 2 3 5, but sometimes it's difficult when we do by numbers. We mostly simplify it with individual, like random 1 2 3 whatever information, then make the boxes. Like number 6 is selection base. Now 7 is classification. My puzzle given classify in the different uh, characters, like they like car, flower, food, etc. But then comparison base, like person P is greater than Q and R, and P like these color and Q like these whatever. Then ninth one is vacant condition. It's a subtype, but it can be included in other type. Like they can ask box space, but there is a vacant box. The next is a variable base. Then puzzle with a variable, like one variable, or there can be a multiple variable, like two variable or three in means. Then any two types can be mixed. That is called mixed type of puzzle. Now the topic number 8 is sitting arrangement. This is also the important topic for the pre as well as means. First subtype is circle base. When there is a circle and person is sitting, they can be look inward, maybe look outward, or it can be possible some looking inward, some looking outward. There can be a person like 3 to 6 person, 8 person, etc. Second is square and rectangle based. like this, like four-person sitting on the corner, four-person sitting in the middle, like this. But then next is triangle, pentagon, and hexagon based. Now fourth one is linear. When in a line persons are sitting, they can be see northward or they can see south. Then fifth one is a parallel row. When two rows, some person in this row, some person in second row, and they can see each other, or sometimes it can be possible. Then from one row is looking north, and also second row looking north. Like these are behind these people. Then next is sixth one. Sixth is uncertain person, where can be a linear body like person sitting in a row, or we don't know exactly that how many persons are there. We solve according to the passage, and then sometimes it uncertain, like one end is defined and other end not. It can be around the bounded body, like around a circle some person are sitting, but if it is not definite how many persons are there. Then seventh one is a vacant condition. In any of above, there can be vacant condition include, like seats are given but person are not there. Then there is a type 8, that is a concentric. Then there can be a like two circle, some person outside and some person inside. So these are concentric shape. It can be in a circle format or rectangle, square, any type of form. And topic 9 is a data sufficiency. I can say that it is not a topic where it is mentioned, but it is a combination of topic. Like firstly, define subtype. First is two database, then one and two data is given, some statement are there, some statement, then you have to define that both statement is required to answer the question, and one is enough, two is enough, and both either one is enough, either two is enough. Then three database, or that can be new pattern. But data sufficiency is the topic which use other topics, like there can be question from blood relation and ask these statement is enough to the solve the question or not, or puzzle setting, any type of topic I have told you about. In the data sufficiency, the question asked from these topic. Now next topic is logical and critical reasoning, mainly asked in mains examination. It can be a dicey. There are question where assumption can be asked, argument, inference based on the passage given, strengthen or weaken statement, like there is a statement given about a political aspect or environment issue, then they can be asked if this happen, can this point strengthen with the statement or weaken the statement. And fourth is a what can be the course of action on this above statement we can take so the solve the problem. Now our next topic is machine input output. This is mainly asked in mains. I can say it is a similar type of coding decoding. I mean, if you are uh, learning or practicing coding decoding properly, place value of alphabets and reverse symbol base, its stab bits, etc. So it can be helpful in machine input. These are the type of machine input that is a logic base, like there can be a step, like there is a input in which some words are written like star, car, whatever. and then it can be changed. Then there will be next two, three, four step, and then like star. I'm giving you example like star. Then change S change to H, T change to G, A change to R change to, it means reverse place value. It's a very basic I'm telling you, but it can be dicey. Sometimes it can be reverse place value -2 into 2 plus 1 4 3, but logic in all the series will be same. And then there will be arrangement base. The next is shifting base, when sentence mm, firstly change the input and then they shift. New pattern coding, there are can be many types. You have to solve the question, then you can understand this. If you are here and watching this video till the end, I am giving you tip, which is a exam hall strategy. So how do you use this strategy in the real exam? Like you feel pressurized in exam, which is a very normal for all of us. So strategy is hit and run strategy. When your reasoning section opens, do not start with the puzzle. Spend the first 30 seconds scanning the paper, hunt down the easiest portion like inequality, logs, direction, distance, coding, decoding, etc. Finish them in first 7 to 8 minutes. You will instantly secure 10 to 15 marks. Then will, with the high confidence and no pressure, attack to the sitting puzzle tough type of question you think. So psychologically it will separate you from the average scorer. So in the end of this video, I wanna say simply, stop skipping these topics, start practicing the tricky variation today. If you want me to make a dedicated short trick video on any of these, comment below. Hit the like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe to crack your bank exam this year. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.